Welcome to the best picks. The best indoor FM antenna is probably one of the most sought-after gadgets for radio enthusiasts who desire crystal-clear reception within the comfort of their homes. This comprehensive review will navigate you through the top-rated indoor FM antennas currently available in the market, examining their performance, ease of setup, design, and overall value, helping you select the perfect antenna to transform your listening experience. Number 5. Ancable FM Antenna. Tired of static and weak signals? This antenna dramatically improves your FM radio reception, bringing you crisp, clear sound. It's built to last with durable brass copper and a telescopic design. Enjoy years of reliable performance. It works with a wide range of radios, including Bose, Sony, and many more. The included adapters ensure a perfect fit. Installation is a breeze. Simply plug it in or screw it into your antenna socket. No messy wires or complicated installations. We stand behind our product with a 12-month warranty. Your satisfaction is our top priority. With superior reception and easy installation, you can now enjoy your favorite FM stations with unparalleled clarity and convenience. What we like. It boasts an impressive range, ensuring you catch every station. Its robust build promises longevity. If you need a reliable antenna compatible with various systems, this is the one for you. What people say. FM radio reception is perfect. It works good, better than the original wire one that came with the radio. Able to receive more stations. Easily attach this antenna and appreciated all the choices in connectors, and DMM. The front of the old Yamaha lit up. I couldn't even count how many bars. Now the classical station from Boston comes in crystal clear. Number 4. Bingfu FM Dipole Antenna. Upgrade your listening experience with this high-quality antenna. It's designed for crystal clear FM radio reception, bringing your favorite stations to life. Enjoy superior sound quality with its efficient design. It's engineered to minimize interference and maximize signal strength. It seamlessly integrates with various stereo receivers and home theater systems. It works with Yamaha, Pioneer, Onkyo, and many more. Installation is a breeze. Simply use the included adhesive to mount it on the wall, and connect it using the provided adapters. It comes with multiple connector adapters for a wide range of devices. This ensures compatibility with most home audio systems. The package includes the antenna itself, along with 3 convenient connector adapters and a 10-foot extension cable. Everything you need is right here. What we like. Installation is a breeze, no more struggling with wires. The extended cable offers placement flexibility. If you value convenience and versatility, this antenna is perfect for you. What people say. This antenna isn't really that ugly and gives you extra connectors for almost any type of receiver. I am in a high-ceiling warehouse and radio reception sucked. This antenna is amazing. I am ordering a second for my other shop now. Excellent reception now. It works really well for the local stations. Number 3. Bingfu FM Antenna. Upgrade your listening experience with the Bingfu FM Antenna. It's easy to install and significantly improves the quality of your FM radio reception, bringing you crystal clear sound. Enjoy simple setup with its magnetic base. Just attach it and you're ready to enjoy superior sound. No complicated wiring or tools needed. This antenna is designed to dramatically improve your FM radio signal strength. Say goodbye to static and weak signals, and hello to crisp, clear audio. It seamlessly integrates with various stereo receivers, including Pioneer, Onkyo, Yamaha, Marantz, and Sherwood. It's the perfect addition to your home audio setup. It comes with a 10-foot extension cable and multiple connector adapters for easy connection to your device. Everything you need is in the box. For optimal performance, place it vertically on a metal surface. This simple step will maximize signal reception and minimize interference. You'll receive the antenna itself, along with 3 convenient connector adapters to ensure compatibility with your existing equipment. What we like. Its magnetic base allows for quick and easy placement. The long cable provides placement flexibility. If you prioritize portability and ease of use, this is your ideal choice. What people say. It's just a basic antenna but works better than the clear T-wire many manufacturers include with receivers. It's also more attractive than those long T-wires. I installed this antenna and now my reception is great, every day. What I think was good about this antenna is that the cord is long enough that I was able to mount the antenna at the top of the built-in bookcase that houses the receiver. And the wire is thin enough that I was able to chase it through some very tight openings in the bookcase. The connector is a screw-on coax, so you know you have a good tight connection, compared to the slip-on connector that originally came with the receiver. It pulled in the stations. When I am leaving the shed, I just grab the antenna and stash it inside for the next time. It is not for being left permanently outside. I also have the same setup for the basement, but it does not pull in any more stations, it just makes the current ones much better clearer without static. Number 2. Ancable Magnetic Base 75 Ohm Kit. Upgrade your stereo receiver with this easy-to-install kit. It's designed for optimal signal transmission and reception, ensuring a superior listening experience. Ancable is a trusted brand known for high-quality products. This kit reflects that commitment to excellence, providing you with reliable performance. It features a 75 ohm impedance, which is crucial for clear and crisp audio. This ensures you'll always enjoy the best possible sound quality. Choose the color that best matches your home decor. It comes in both classic black and elegant silver. The magnetic base makes installation a breeze. Simply attach it to your receiver and enjoy improved radio reception. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for quick and easy setup. Enjoy enhanced radio performance right away. What we like. The magnetic base makes placement simple. The 75 ohm impedance guarantees optimal signal quality. If you're looking for a stylish and functional antenna, this one's for you. What people say. I have a Sangean WR16. I have had it for over a year using the supplied wire antenna. I got a lot of stations, but wanted to get clearer reception from North Country Public Radio from Canton, New York. Although they do have a transmitter closer to me, I had iffy reception. All I want is public radio stations, and I can get both New York stations and Vermont stations here. For the cost of this cute little antenna, I gave it a try. I love it. I have it stuck on the top of a picture frame on my wall using Funtac, and now I get perfect reception on all 4 of my stations. Found this antenna worked for Bose Wave Radio. The original Bose wire antenna didn't work. This inexpensive metal antenna was only antenna I could find that actually worked. Now I can get classical and classic rock and jazz and news stations. I bought this antenna to augment the reception I was getting. The antenna I have is fine, but it was having difficulty receiving the signal from the main station I listened to. I bought a signal splitter and connected it. Amazing reception. Number 1. Ancable 300 ohm stereo receiver cable. Experience richer, clearer sound. This cable ensures a superior connection for your home stereo system. It's built with high-quality materials for optimal signal transmission and durability. Enjoy years of reliable performance. It's designed to work perfectly with your Pioneer, Marantz, Sony, and other top home stereo receivers. Enjoy effortless setup. This cable is specifically engineered for 300 ohm impedance, delivering the best possible audio quality. Get the most out of your equipment. Simply connect it and enjoy the difference. It's designed for a hassle-free setup and use. Ancable is committed to providing high-quality audio solutions. This cable is a testament to that commitment. What we like. It offers a unique 300 ohm impedance for superior performance. It's designed for tabletop use. If you need a high-quality antenna for your tabletop stereo, this is the best option. What people say. Works great. FM and AM. The indoor AM/FM antenna, Ancable 300 ohm FM dipole antenna and 2-pin bare AM antenna kit was exactly as described and was just what I needed. Easy to install and use. The 300 ohm FM antenna was a cinch to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.